Add some flavor to your English. Zest it up, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a flavorful expression that can add a dash of excitement to your English conversations. Have you ever heard someone say they want to zest something up? What does that mean? Stick around as we squeeze out the details and learn how to use zest it up in everyday language. The word zest originally comes from cooking terminology. It refers to the outer peel of citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, or limes. This peel is often grated and used to add a fresh, tangy flavor to dishes. But zest isn't just about food. It's also used metaphorically to describe adding enthusiasm, excitement, or interest to something that might otherwise be considered dull or boring. When someone says they want to zest something up, they're basically saying they want to make it more interesting or lively. Imagine a plain white room. If you add colorful decorations, you're zesting it up. If you have a basic outfit, adding a bright scarf or a unique accessory is a way to zest it up. In conversations, zest it up could mean introducing a new topic, telling a joke, or sharing an interesting fact to make the conversation more engaging. Let's see how zest it up can be used. In a meeting, our presentations are a bit dry. Let's zest it up with some interactive elements. Planning a party, the decorations look nice, but we need to zest it up with some colorful lights and music. In writing, your essay is well written, but adding a personal anecdote can really zest it up. Notice how in each scenario, zest it up is about adding something extra for enhancement. While zest it up is a fun phrase, it's important to know when it's appropriate. It's a casual expression, so it's best used in informal settings. In a formal business report or in serious discussions, it might not be the right fit. And there you have it. You now know how to add a little zest to your language. Remember, zest it up is all about bringing energy and interest into something that needs it. Use it to spice up your conversations and make your English sound more natural and vivid. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has zested up your language skills.